It is given that ant is moving around the perimeter of these three figures. Okay, then we have to find the on which food piece would the ant have to take a larger round. Basically, we have to find that the perimeter of which of these three figures is bigger. Okay, and an information is given that circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression 2 pi r. Okay, circumference of a circle is basically, let's say this is a circle. Circumference means the boundary or the perimeter of this circle. So this is given by 2 into pi. Pi is basically a quantity whose formula is 22 upon 7. It is a fixed quantity constant into r, and r is the radius of this circle. Okay, so we can find circumference using this formula. Now let us consider the figure A. What would be its boundary? Now this side is given to be 2.8 and this is also the diameter of this circle. Okay, so diameter is given to be 2.8 centimeter. So how much would be radius? Radius is half of the diameter. So radius would be 2.8 upon 2. This is 1.4 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find what? We have to find this boundary. This is half of the circumference of this circle. Okay, so half of the circumference means circumference upon 2, which means 2 pi r upon 2, which means pi r. Okay, so this boundary is pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 1.4. I have already told you, and 1.4 can be written as 14 upon 10. So we can cancel these terms, and this comes out to be 22 upon 5. Okay, so this boundary is 22 upon 5 and this boundary is 2.8. So we will add these two, and this comes out to be 2.8 plus 22 upon 5 can be written as 22 upon 5, 4.4. Cool. So 4.4, and this comes out to be what? 2.7. This is 7.2. So in figure A, the total boundary is 7.2. Now let us consider figure 2. In figure 2, this side is 1.5. So this side will also 1.5 because of symmetry. Okay, this side is 2.8. So this side is also 2.8. Okay, and we have to find again this half of circumference this side. This is half of circumference whose diameter is given to be 2.8. Here also diameter was 2.8. Okay, so here also diameter was 2.8. So this half circumference will come out to be 4.4 as in the previous figure. In the previous part, this comes out to be 22 upon 5, na? This half circumference, and again for 22 upon 5 is 4.4. So this half circumference will come out to be 4.4. So the total boundary of this figure would be 4.4 in second part, half circumference 4.4 plus two sides are 1.5 and 1.5. Okay, these two sides are 1.5, this, and this diameter is 2.8, which is equal to this side. So we will add this 2.8. So plus 2.8, and this comes out to be what? This comes out to be 4.4 plus 3 plus 2.8. This is 10.2. So the total boundary here is 10.2 centimeter. Here also it was 7.2 centimeter. So 10.2 centimeter. Here the total boundary is larger. Now next, this figure. In this figure also, if we consider this circle, in this circle the diameter is given to be 2.8 and this boundary is half circumference again. So this boundary will again be 4.4 centimeter. Okay, so total boundary will come out to be 4.4 plus this side plus this side. So this will come out to be, in part C, we have 4.4 plus 2 and this is what? 8.4 centimeter. Okay, so the ant have to move the largest in this second figure. In the second figure, the boundary is the longest, 10.2 centimeter. Okay, thank you.